Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I'm doing kind of a fun sort of abstract diamond look. I had a lot of fun doing this one, so hopefully you guys really enjoy this one as well. So starting out, I'm using the color Fizz from Young Nails Mission Control, and I'm using the Uber Chic cleanup brush to apply that. And I am doing 2 coats on that. Of course, giving that a quick cure in between each coat, and then I am doing a full cure on my second coat, so that's 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. Now, taking the colors Solar, Overdrive, Orbit, and Molten, all from Young Nails Mission Control, and the Micro Detailer brush, which comes in the Mission Control kit, I'm gonna start my lines. I just quickly wanted to show you how I load this brush though. It's really similar to loading a striper brush, so I'm gonna take a little bit of color, put it onto a tile, and then roll my brush through it so that the gel gets coated evenly on my bristles. And this is really important when you're doing small line work so that you don't get any blobs of color anywhere. So all I'm doing is starting with a long line in the center, and then I'm going to just draw some smaller lines coming out and just gradually getting smaller and repeating that on the opposite side as well so that I'm getting a diamond kind of shape. Now I'm just going to keep doing that same technique all over the nail with the 3 different colors that I have, and then I'm going to come in at the end with a little bit of black and fill in my spaces to finish off this kind of diamond pattern that I have going on. And then once you're happy with that, of course, giving it a full cure, so it's 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And then because this is done with all Mission Control, that is finished. You don't need a top coat unless you wanted to make it matte. In that case, you'd add your matte top coat at this point. Otherwise, you're done, and this is the look that I have for you today. So like I said, this was really fun for me to do and fun to come up with. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you for always liking and sharing our videos and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as always, please put your questions and comments in the section below. And you can also support us by following us on Instagram and liking us on Facebook.